So in this video, you'll learn how to install the Samsung Music app on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step is to choose whether you're installing it from the Galaxy Store or from the Google Play Store. Bear in mind that this will need you to either have a Samsung account for the Galaxy Store or a Google account for the Google Play Store. Once you've confirmed where you're installing from, just tap on the app to launch it. From here, you're then going to use the search function and you're going to just type in the words Samsung Music and then search. You should see it listed in the search results, so you're going to tap on it to select it, and then from here you're going to just choose install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been downloaded, you can then go ahead and select open to launch it, or you can navigate back to the home screen or the apps drawer, look for the app from there and tap on it to launch it. From here, just to go through with the setup, giving it permissions to your music and audio as well as notifications. And then now you can start using the Samsung Music app on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.